My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Thanks for clicking on this video. Make sure you are checked in below for this 10-minute total body core workout for men. The cap is on, the shirt is tucked in, and we have a very bright mat underneath us. This can be done anywhere at any time. Make sure you modify as needed, breathing in the nose and out the mouth for a total body experience, building strength, flexibility, and stamina. Let's begin in plank position with 20 slow Spider-Man runs. Here's the plank. Exhale, step forward as far as you comfortably can. And I'm doing a little bit of a dip there. So we step forward and we stretch the hip flexor, the hip extender on the extended leg. Keep the hands under the shoulders and keep your upper body as parallel to the ground as possible. Exhale forward. Inhale, always returning to plank as you stabilize against that movement. 20 times, slowly. Excellent, there we are. Step it forward, and nice dip down, and coming to forearm plank with leg lifts. 20 leg lifts, alternating. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Let nothing else move on your body. You can always do these exercises in front of a mirror to check your form. So total engagement in the core, stabilizing against the movement of the legs. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Keep the back of the neck nice and long. There's your forearm plank, feeling it stretch out before you. And let's come back once again to those Spider-Man runs with a little more speed, 20 times. Plank position. And exhale forward, inhale back. Go as fast as you can. You can do more than 20 if you like, but always keeping your control, maximizing those muscles each and every time. And add that little dip. It's a little extra stretch, getting some blood flow into the quads and the hip flexors. Spider-Man runs. You'll see I do a little skip there. You can add that in also as you get more proficient with the exercise, building strength and stamina with every repetition. Now back once again, 20 leg lifts, a little faster, forearm plank, inhale up, exhale down. The added speed adds a little more cardio element to it, requiring more oxygen to be pushed through the body. So very important that you take those deep breaths in the nose and out the mouth to get more and more oxygen into the system. 20 repetitions, there's the forearm plank. All right, well done. Shake it out. We're going to go into a pendulum series here. Pendulum and reverse sit-ups. Like we did with the first set, we're going to repeat each one once. 10 repetitions. You can go to tabletop with the knees bent, arms out to the sides, or extend the legs all the way up and sway side to side. 10 times. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. There's 2. Massage the lower back. 3. Challenging the obliques. 4. The sides. And smush the shoulders down. Open the chest. 6. Inhale, lift. Exhale to the side. 7. 8. Going to 10. 9. And 10, a thing of beauty. Moving into reverse sit-ups 6 times. Knees bent, arms to the sides. We're going to exhale, squeeze the abs and lift the glutes and tailbone off the mat. And lower gently. Make sure you have the control on this exercise so you're not slamming the tailbone or the back and spine down. None of that. Total control or die trying. One more time. Take it slow. Lift. Take your time. Lower down. Nice and easy. Engaging those deep abdominals. Excellent. Let's do that pendulum series one more time with the option to add a reach. So 6 times. You reach towards the outside of the foot like so. Inhale, center. Reach to the other side, getting a deep contraction in the sides. Feel that lift off the mat. And keep zipping up the legs so you are really challenging your flexibility in your hamstrings and calves and low back. 6 times. Reach. Excellent. Even with a smile. Once more. Reverse sit-ups 6 times. Slow it down a little more this time. Dig deep. I was feeling this on about the 4th repetition. Wow, very, very effective. Deep abdominal muscles, building all that beautiful strength to support the spine, to support your posture, and to support whatever athletic endeavors you enjoy. Exhale up. Do it with the breath. One more time. Let's slow it down. Lift. Take your time. Massage the spine down. Excellent. All right, some windshield wipers here. Take the legs side to side. Keep your core nice and loose, nice and flexible, nice and limber. Limber. All right, come on up for the boat crisscross in the Superman shark sequence. Shake it out. Keep the shoulders back and down. Good posture. 10 times. Come to boat position, half boat position. Shoulders back. Get a comfortable spot there. Fingers to the back of the head and alternating the legs, lifting the chest towards the knee 10 times. That is some fancy balance there, isn't it? Work that balance as you isolate and murder the abdominals. All right, half boat, hold for a moment, shoulders down, keeping the core engaged. Classic yoga pose. Now moving into Superman shark. Switch the cat for this one. All right, 5 times. Big Superman pose, working the entire posterior chain of the body. So start by extending your body. Get some nice length in there, reaching your natural height. And when you're ready, inhale, lift up. Now reach back, lace the fingers, bend the legs. That's called the shark. Forward. There's one. Here's inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Lift a little higher, getting that beautiful spinal and back flexibility. And lift. Slow it down a little bit. 2 more times. Let these exercises dig deeper into your muscles, building more strength and more resilience, the ability to adapt to each and every endeavor that comes your way. And shark. Gonna need a bigger boat. There we are. Once again, boat crisscross. Transition smoothly. We don't have an hour for this. We're doing it in 10 minutes. So 10 repetitions again. Boat crisscross gives you a chance to smooth it out even more as your muscles and mind respond to the movement. And keep your elbows outwards. You're not pulling on the back of the head. You're not pulling with the arms. You're using your core as the motor. That leg extension is going to cause a lot of flexibility, a lot of challenge. Once more, Superman shark, 5 times. A little more movement this time. More bend in the back, perhaps. So when you're ready, inhale, lift up. Superman, every muscle on the back working. And there's the shark. Extra flexibility, binding the hands together. Reach forward. Open the chest. Think of sliding the shoulders down the back. I am a stickler with myself and for everyone I teach, a stickler of posture and alignment. That every movement has purpose. Every movement is smooth. It is controlled. It is flowing to get maximum benefits each and every time. Never wasting a moment. Superman, lift to the shark. Hold for an extra breath. All right, shake it out, my friends, and press back to child's pose. Stretch out the spine. This is a lifesaver right here. Knees are wide. Take as much time as you want right here. There's one more exercise, one more pose that we're doing here. So when you're ready, the cap switch is essential. This is the extreme boat hold, sometimes called the hollow back. 10 breaths. We're going to roll down onto our back. Keep the lower back imprinted. Extend the legs. You can bend the knees to modify. Arms to the side. Start here. Each exhale, sink the belly button into the spine, engaging your six-pack muscle, your rectus abdominis, sinking your lower back down. You can also extend the arms overhead. Again, we're holding for 10 breaths in the nose and out the mouth. Challenging that core one more time. How does this feel? Are you shaking? Are you getting some good contraction? Are you controlling this pose? You can always bring the legs higher if you need to. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Arms to the sides. Little smile. I don't know why I'm smiling. And that's it, my friends. Beautiful work. Make sure you are checked in below. Leave your feedback, questions. Share this video on with anyone who wants a challenge. As always, thank you so much for following the Sean Vigue Fitness YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and what's going on here? What the... Oh! Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.